Hey, Sylvia here. Okay, this is going to be a little different from my usual videos because today I'm actually sharing something that my husband used, not me. So if you're here looking for a Prosta Peak review, wondering if it's real or just another men's health gimmick, you're about to hear the truth from the wife's perspective. Let me set the stage. A few months ago, I started noticing something with my husband. He was tired, moody, frustrated, and more than once I caught him getting up in the middle of the night, sometimes 2 or 3 times, just to go to the bathroom. He'd come back to bed irritated, tossing and turning, and in the morning he looked exhausted. At first I thought maybe it was stress, but he finally admitted he'd been having trouble with his prostate. He felt like he always had to go, couldn't fully empty, and worst of all, he said he just didn't feel like himself anymore. That's when I started doing some digging, and I came across Prosta Peak. I'll be honest, I wasn't sure at first. I'd seen so many supplements online that promise the world and deliver nothing, but what really caught my eye on their page was that thousands of men around the world were using this exact formula and leaving real stories, real results, and they weren't promising magic overnight. They were offering a natural approach designed to support prostate health over time, without drugs, without harsh side effects. So I ordered it and handed him the bottle. He was like, "You want me to take a pill for my prostate because you found it online?" Yep, I did. And after a little convincing, he started taking it. Here's what happened. The first week, not much changed, but by week 2, he said he was sleeping through the night. Week 3, he wasn't rushing to the bathroom every 30 minutes. And something else changed too, his mood. He was more relaxed, more confident, and honestly, just back to being himself. And I'll say this as his wife. Let's just say things got better in every department. Yep, even that one. One thing I noticed on the site, and I'm glad I caught this, they actually warn that demand has been really high lately, and they sometimes run out of stock. So if you're thinking about trying it, I'd recommend checking right now, just to make sure they're still available. Also, don't forget, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you're not risking anything. This isn't just about fewer bathroom trips. It's about getting your life back, your energy, your confidence, your sense of control. If you're even just thinking about it, open the link in the description now and leave it open. The name is Prosta Peak, and trust me, if you close the tab, you might forget it later. I'd recommend grabbing at least the 3 or 6 bottle option. That's what we did, and it gave him enough time to feel the results build over time. Thanks for watching, and if you or someone you love tries Prosta Peak, I hope it helps your family like it helped ours.